Hi guys, thank you for coming with me guys to the Dollar Tree. Let's check out the books, see what's new over here guys. Okay, so we come over here, look at this. I think this one is new guys. So this is 101 Amazing Things About Pregnancy. That's really nice and handy. And this is New Skies. This is Lawless and the Flowers of Sin. This is Extreme Animals, another one of those books over there. So it seems to be a little bit easier to get through this. Okay, so the Estrogen Fix. I'm sorry, I got tongue-tied there for a minute. Then they have this. What is this? Pat O'Brien. I'll be back right after this. Okay, so then you have these cooking books, guys. These books are so nice. So this is Southern Favorites, and this is Catch of the Day. And here's a word search puzzle, pocket puzzles. The Inside Maze Runner Guide, 5-minute bedtime stories. So those are pretty nice, guys. Then here, Catch of the Day. This one is seafood, and then this is from the garden. And then they have that one. It's called Breakfast Favorites. Then, yeah, let me see what's the red one. So the red one is One Skillet Meals. Okay, so those guys come in really handy. So let me put this back. And then you have the little kids' books over here. Aren't these nice, guys? Look at this. This is Hansel and Gretel. And then they have the 3 little pigs. Then they have Goldilocks and the 3 bears. How nice. Little Red Riding Hood in the back. See her? Little Red Riding Hood. And let's see what else they have. Tom Thumb. Okay, let me just put these back because they look like they were just done. I don't want to mess them up. Okay, there you go, guys. Then you have some crayons over here. All right, so if we come over here and we look, let's see what's on the side over here. So we have the secular, let me just pull that out. Okay, Confessions of a Secular Jesus Follower. Then you have The Fire Line, a story of a granite mountain, hotshots, and one of the deadliest days in America, firefighting. Then you have Tracy Kidder. What is that one? A Truck Full of Money. I want a truck full of money. Okay, so then you have Die for You. I don't know. I think that's new, guys. Die for You. Then this one over here. Yeah, this one I showed you before. My Life to Live. Let me put this one back. Then you have this one over here. That says Pink Mist. And then The Fire Line. This one is Remnant of Trust. Okay, so then we have this one, Hi Gorgeous. Then this, I think I showed you that one, New Skies. That one is New Skies. Then this one is a Little Book of Wonders. Then you have this one. Best Frenemies. Okay, My Side of the Street. This one is Practice Makes Perfect. Perfect Little World. I don't think I've seen this one, guys. So that must be new. And then The Fire Line. Then The Regional Office. I think I showed you that one. And then this one is called Love Warrior. That's not new. Let's see. Okay, and this was the Blast of Sugar Round. I don't think I showed you that one. So then over here we have, oh look, this makes a great gift, guys. Hemp macrame. That's a nice gift for somebody who does that. Then they have this, Farm Animals, and then the Toy Story. I think this is in the wrong place. So anyway, this makes a nice book. Let me see what it retails. There's no retail price on this. So here is Half Wild by Sally Green. Okay. Then this one says Black Mall, Rick Campbell. Placebo Junkies. I think that's not new. This is called Box into Shape. Then Hello Gorgeous. I showed you that one. Then this one is Passionate Nutrition. I don't think I showed you that one. I think that one's new. So then this one here is Falling Sideways. I think that's new. I don't think I read that to you before. So this one says, How Hard Can It Be? Then The High Places. Okay, How Hard Can It Be? I showed you that. Pieces of Why. This is The Light Prayer. That's nice. Okay, then Remnants of Trust. This one I know I showed you guys. That one is by Emilio Estefan. So, Speak Up. That one is not new. That one's been here. My Side of the Street. That's Perfect Little World. The High Places. Okay, this one is Confronting Cancer, and that's in Spanish. Confrontando el Cáncer. Okay, and then we have this one, Fireline. I just read that one to you. That one too. That one. This one is called Oliver. A Tale of a Little Cat with a Big Heart. Oliver, isn't he cute? Okay, so let's see what else they have. So, Confessions of a High School Disaster. I think that's a new book. Then you have that one. Then this one is The 12 Dogs of Christmas. The 12 Dogs of Christmas. Okay. This is The Rift, and I know that's not new. I think this is new. Erwin Shutter. Okay, let's keep it moving, guys. Okay, so this one is Romeo, Juliet, and Jim. Romeo, Juliet, and Jim. I don't know, I'm in one of those funny moods today. Okay, Science and Sorcery. You know, I don't know about that Jim part. Okay, 5-minute bedtime stories. And look at this. This is a cute book. A Dad's Guide to Baby Care. So, let's see. Look at this one. Teddy and Me. Hacks for Minecrafters. The Baby Bump Twins and Triplets Edition. This is probably a very expensive book. You know what? I think that's like $17. Okay, so I Am Duran. Then you have the same Baby Bump one. This one is Quinceañera. This is Purity. Let's see. This one is Old School. Okay, so let's see what's up here. Okay, so American Girls. And they have some school books in this section, level 1 and 2. Then they have the Placebo Junkies and My Side of the Street. There's some more learning books, guys. They're just situated here, in with the regular books. And then they have, oh, what is this? Yeah, Under the Sea Adventures. This is Your Brain on Sports. This is Your Brain on Sports. Okay, so then you have the Bible over here. Then Robbie Rogers. How Hard Can It Be? Some more kids' books over here. And My Life to Live. And let's see. The Empress Ostrich. That's a new book. Okay, guys, then up here you have the Bibles. And then some short Fruit of the Spirit books over here. These will make nice basket fillers, guys. These will be really good for that. And we have some notepads and some glass. Look at these. These are so cute. These were on the side of the books. Some notepads and some crayons on the bottom. Some 5-minute stories. I think I showed you that already. And then over here you have all of your coloring books and your puzzles. And guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. And I'll see you guys in another video.